are we? No, we are in the park. Ish. That's true. Today is gonna be a really hot day. Like almost 30 degrees, which is like a lot. Oh, that's shit. And you can see the mountains. And you can see the baby. Yeah, so today is gonna be a really hot day. Later we are going to the beach. And like last time we went to the beach, I did vlog some, but then I saw it back. And I was like, oh, like let's run to the sea. It's gonna be so fun and nice and cool. And you can see shit. So today I have to record it again. Because someone is a dummy. And this is me. Oh, you.
Sweating.
Oh, that's true. Sweating all your pee. Wait, can you imagine like living here though?
There's like a lot of patios on the roof.
Yeah. Because I thought we can like go there, but I guess not. Yeah, also I broke my hands.
I think we can find some lizard stuff. Trash can.
This is the place where I belong. I thought like those are trash cans, so like those. These are not trash cans, you know? Lights. A picture?
That's what I think.
Yeah.
Cachito.
I don't know, that's weird.
Wearing a panda.
Can I zoom in? I cannot zoom in this, but I don't think that is real though. No, that's not real. No, he's just hanging, bro. That is so scary. Yeah, it was scary. These are nice stairs. But can you imagine like living so cute? Oh, that's a cute color. I like the pink one. I'm not gonna, you know. Fancy. And Lucas parking. Oh, I felt real cats. I was like, where the fuck are they coming? That's cute though. That's nice. He's drowning now. Can you imagine? What's up guys, it's Daria. And this is my boyfriend. That is true. Yet, here we are. And today was supposed to be a really sunny day. And it was also supposed to be like a long beach day. Yet, I woke up wanting to run. And I went out on the balcony. There was no sun. And I was sad. And I was like, you know what? Everything hurts. So, might as well not go for a run. So I didn't. But yesterday, like we were talking about dinner lately, like it's just meh. And yesterday there was like spinach lasagna. There was cauliflower with like bechamel sauce and cheese. Gross. And now today at breakfast it's just like meh. I ate a lot of meh things. It was supposed to be a beach day today. And it kinda is, but it's like cloudy AF. It's like sun. What do you mean? Not really, you know? It's hot. Bro, there is like such bad clouds though. There is like a magpie. Like a small one that I think like fell in the water. And now he's just like sitting there and everyone is petting him. He shouldn't be petting it though. But okay. Yes. But well. Yeah, our room is being cleaned, so we went to the pool. And there was like the aqua fitness that I wanted to try, but Marco doesn't want to. And now that's sad. And I think today was the last day of the aqua fitness. And I forgot about it. So yeah, but it was nice at the beach. The water was warm. Marco had fun. He's not listening to me. That's cute. Can I zoom to him? Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I could work as a fitness instructor at the pool. That would be a nice job, I think. So we got back from the pool, and the cleaning lady was still here. So that was a little bit sad and sucks. I have my big coffee. I put the protein powder inside, and it's not blending well. Do you wanna eat some lunch? No. And then go somewhere by train. We've been to the beach. It's not bad weather, it's just like cloudy sky, and there is sun. It is warm as heck. You know, it could be better. I'm just gonna eat bagels, like dry bagels though. I have nothing for them. I only will eat like one bagel and the coffee, and I want like rice cakes with like yogurt and white chocolate. So this is what I always wanted, the white chocolate, but I only saw yogurt. So that is what I'm gonna try. I'm gonna eat the bagel. I'm gonna enjoy the coffee. Also, at dinner yesterday, I ate so much. I was complaining that there's like not nice foods, you know, like seafood and stuff, and I'm like, I don't eat that because I am a veggie. Urban Outfitters, I saw like similar t-shirt, like it looks like it's like a bathing suit, you know. It was like a t-shirt that was like that, and I was like, oh, there's a vibe, like with the purple and the green. It looks nice. Just a baby. I'm vlogging. He brought Takis. Smart. Do you want that one? Do you want to change? I didn't see. I was like, very good. Aber no, I already saw. Bro, I didn't think. Look at him, massive. Bro, you cannot see anything. Do you want to try with the protein powder? What? Very good. Very, very good. I think I'm gonna buy some for the bus. Oh, my camera's dying. recording over there.
Kalai.
I thought you were gonna say a full sentence.
We're going to Ibiza. We're going to
Happy baby. Yeah. I look 10-ish. Yeah, it was a very long day, so. Yeah, he bought me a skirt.
This is a skirt.
It is a skirt. Yeah. Like beige. What did you buy for yourself? Oh, I thought you were gonna show. Baby shy. And I am a shy vlogger. Nice. Guess who found it? That's a nice one though. Another one. But you know, yeah. Yeah, it's all about he spent a lot of money. I didn't spend a cent.
We did coffee.
Oh, well, that was, I did buy coffee, but that was cash, so it's like, it was for free. Right.
Because I also bought all the sauce, everything.
Yeah.
Cash.
Ooh. Everything was for free. Anyway, we're going back to the hotel. We're waiting for our train. It's in 5 minutes. I am tired. Baby is also tired. And possibly bored, but we cannot see because he has a short t-shirt.
Nose is burned.
Yeah, but I am. And it is because we thought there's like, it's not sunny, so we're just gonna like lay down on the beach, and it's gonna be fun. But guess what? It was fun, but it was warm, and it was hot, and the sun did come out, and we didn't took the sunscreen. So now I'm paying the price, but my hair does look like blonde, and his hair also looks blonde there. So my plate, his plate. It is a sad day, bros. Windy, rainy, not really good breakfast. I have a sore throat. You cannot hear it now, but you will later. I am just a vlogger.
And in this vlog, in today's vlog, we're going.
I took so much clothes, and I have nothing to wear. Is that funny? Do you find it funny? I didn't took outfits. And that is my problem. Because I was like, oh, that is cute, and then I have so many things that can go with it. And then you know, but at least my hair is good. So, I'm just taking pictures of himself. I did sleep after breakfast though. Because I had kinda a headache because of the rain. That was great. That was fun. I slept some. Then the cleaning lady came and they were like, oh. And she went back. Life is hard and then you die. I look tired, the way. Ish. I look. The baby is ready. Where's the baby?
It's really windy outside.
That's why I have a hoodie. There is market somewhere which we will go. I will drink some coffee. Because I didn't drink coffee in the morning, I drank tea. Because of my throat, and I'm hot. Even though outside it's windy and cold-ish. See you later. My hair looks so blonde though. Yeah, we're going on the market for like, I don't know, 15 minutes in rain. And we are almost there. And the funniest thing is it funny? I don't know, that is very small. And it's like, should we? Do? I do. And baby wanted, and baby was like, oh, I thought it's bigger. And I'm like, I didn't think anything. So here's that. But it's raining-ish. So good that it's busy with cars, bro. Maybe you will see 444. Because it's looking for 444 now.
2 other cars.
That would look sketchy though. Suspicious. Yeah, and it's only like here, and doo-doo. And baby wanted. Oh, maybe there is like more new. Maybe they will have the Kanken backpack for 30 €. Bro, that is such
That
a
was
wide
nice.
angle. You are so close and I see your full face, bro. Bro, I didn't vlog the coffee. Rainy days. Oh, and a baby. Henry, Daria. Let's see what's there. It's like Buddha. Bro, that is so nice though. That's gonna be like so colorful. I have like similar ones, but in Poland. But that is so cute here. That is so zen. That if it wasn't raining, I would want a picture.
It's like really like freezing cold.
Yeah, it is cold. Ooh. That's good. That took us 3 minutes. I won 33 to 17. That was hard and crazy.
Had over-simulated. It was like 5 blocks on the field.
Yeah, it was so much. I think you got that for 2 players, bro.
Blue balls of 5 points.
That's nice. That was fun. That cost us €1 for 10 minutes. And a lot of fun. I would say yes. That was good. So let's go.